Hey friends, if you wish to repair or reset Cortana in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So it's not very difficult, but it is very difficult. I'll tell you why. Because you can search about Cortana end of support on any browser that you want to. It has ended support in 2023 and there is a complete document on it. Still, some systems have Cortana. I don't know how it exists and they are not able to use it. So they're asking how they can repair and reset it. You cannot. It should be uninstalled, and the best way to do that is not to actually uninstall it, but to right click on the start button and select settings. Go to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates in the right pane. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.